of timeshare owners get very frustrated because they can't go where they want to go, when they want to go. And that makes sense. When you went on the timeshare presentation, the sales agent said that you can go anywhere, anytime, especially when you own a high demand resort or high demand season, red season. This is true, but it's not true. Yes, there's a lot of places you can go during that time as long as there's availability. If there's no availability, you can't go. So what you want to do is you're going to deposit your week if you want to go somewhere else with the exchange company. It's usually RCI or II, Interval International. And look at the places that you can go. Chances are you're not going to go to Hawaii during Christmas. Christmas season and New Year's season, week 51 and 52, are the most expensive and busiest seasons in the timeshare industry. Okay? It's very difficult to get what you want unless you own there. So what you want to do is you can travel all over the world, literally on just about any timeshare. Even if you own a dump in the Poconos, you can still travel anywhere in the world. Deposit your week in the exchange company and look at all the destinations that are available to you. It'll tell you all the destinations, and it'll tell you the dates, and it'll tell you the size of the room. And you decide what you want. That is availability. That is your availability that day. You can come back the next day, it could change. Chances are it's not going to change. But you can come back the next day and see if it changes. But there's so many places that you can go. A lot of people want to go to Hawaii, and it's very expensive. But you know something? Yeah, Belize is just as beautiful. Belize is beautiful. So look at the different options that you have to go once you deposit your week, and then decide whether you want to go to those places as well. Look on the Travel Channel. Learn more about the destination. Go to YouTube and learn about the destination, because there are a lot of places that you may not have heard of that you can visit, and you'll have a wonderful, wonderful time. And the exchange company is only going to charge you a couple of $100 to exchange your week. That's a very good deal. And I've seen people own studios get a 2-bedroom somewhere. So use the timeshare. You purchased it. You're paying the maintenance fee. Use it to travel around the world. Okay? There's a lot of places you can go, even though there's places you can't go, but there are a lot of places that you can go, and start looking at that.